Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to work with the Visual Studio 2022 Windows Form application using C Sharp. So we have to go to open up the Visual Studio 2022. So if you open up, you can have this nice window. Click on this create new project. Over here you can have a languages. If you are a various languages, if you have got the Visual Basics and C Sharp, so it is mean a VB.NET. So the C Sharp, C++, F Sharp, there are so many languages there. So we have a, this is a very famous for C Sharp code. So you have to select C Sharp. This is at the moment you are select as a Windows application. You have to select as the console, the various applications are there. So I have to select as desktop. So desktop. If you select desktop, according to the forms will be display over here. So if you are whether you are going for the WPF application or uh, Windows Form application, you have to select which one you have to work with. So I am going to work with Windows Form app. So select this option, click next. So here it asks the project name of your project name. So I am going to give the project name as first app. First app 1. Okay, so this is how we have give the meaningful name. So where you have to provide the location where you are going to save your project. Okay, so the solution explorer name I leave as it is. If you want, you can change it. I leave as it is. Okay, this is the .NET framework they automatically selected. .NET framework version 4.7.2. This is the version. Click create. If you click create button, your project is begin creating. You have to wait until the project created successfully. Okay, now here it is very fast. Here it's working simply fast. So you can see, in order to work with the Visual Studio Windows application, so you can, this is the your workspace where you are going to work. Okay, this is the workspace where you are going to work. Okay, so how to work, we need a tools. So here on your left side there will be the toolbox. Okay, in order to get the help from this toolbox, you can work with your phone. Okay, without this toolbox you can't work with, right? So every tool has properties. Okay, there's a property window, right? So another one which is called as a solution explorer. What is the meaning of solution explorer? Okay, at the moment we have one form. So if you want to have a more than one form, okay, you have to create another form. So all the form we have managed by the solution explorer option, right? This is how we have worked, right? So first, what you're going to do is how to run the form. So if you are going to run the form, you click the start button. So click start button. You can see here the form has been done. You can see the form window. The form has been run successfully. You will be able to see the form has been run successfully. It has been run successfully here, right? So now we have to do the basics part, right? Very basics part for the form. So select this form, right click, properties. This is the property of this form. So I want to display this form at the center point. So select the start position, Windows location, select as center, click start. Now you can see the form has been displayed as a center position. You will be able to see the form has been displayed as a center of the screen. Right, perfect. Right. So the first time we have work with this one here, there will be the Windows default location. If it is a default location, it will be display as a defaultly. It select the location and display. Okay, whenever here when you start the application, it will be display of the screen default location, right? Okay, so there will be so much option when you run the form where it would be show under the screen. Okay, so therefore if the screen of center screen, it has been displayed at the center point of the video. You will be able to see, right? So very simple. So now here select the form. Okay, if you select the form, also the property will windows will be there. If it is if you accidentally close the property window, how should I open again? Select the form, right click properties. Now the property window as open. Now you can have all the properties based on the form window. So what you're going to do is, now I want to, here this is a form, I want to, this is the icon, this is the default icon of the form. If you want to change the icon, you have a option here, the icon. Click on this icon, you will be able to change the icon. Okay, at the moment we don't need the icon of my, I don't have icon on my desktop or my computer. If you have icon, you can browse and put it automatically come up over here, right? So after that, there will be the another solution is the opacity window. Here it's 100%. If you are here, you click 50%. When you run the application check, here it has been shown as a 50%. Okay, this one should be in your progress bar window also, you will be able to see like this. Okay, so the form window we are not going to put it to 50%, the progress bar. Okay, so we have to reduce the opacity of the form. I keep as 100, that is the best one. So after that, what you're going to show icon, it is true. If it is false, now here the form icon has been, if you want to I don't need to show the form icon, you can keep as false, right? So I keep as false like this, right? So after that, what you're going to do is here the starting center, all things you have set like this way, right? So after that, what you're going to do is here we have to go to do the another one is here the form border. This is the most important property of the form. Form border style. It defaultly come as sizable. I want to change this one as a fixed single. Okay, so a fixed single, how the look. Okay, if you want to see the look when you execute the program, here this look like this. Okay, if you want to put all the options one by one, you can see how the look has been there here. If you change the option, you at the itself you can see what look like. Here it's accessible, this one, all thing you will be able to see the look like here. Sizable tool window, this is my favorite one when I'm going to do the software in Visual Studio.net as a Windows application. This is the option. There are many projects I'm using this option. It is my favorite. Here the closing button, also simple closing button. Here you will be able to see here. Other one also, here this is a fix. Another one is a sizable. So these are the things. So sizable also some more. It is too much bigger. So this one is so simple. I like this option, right? I like this option. You have to, this option is, if you like, you can put this option. Very simple, right? So what you're going to do is, now I want to put it to the simple label. So first I have to work with the label. So just drag and drop the label. It's a label. What is the label? Here we have, you have to implement the all the text. Okay, you have to write the text. Select this, click on this, select this one, it automatically changes label. If you select this one, form, I just select this one, right click properties, I want to change this one as a my first C# application. I just put like this, application. Present it here. You can see over here. Text has been changed as my first C# application. Now I want to increase the font size little bit bigger. So how to increase the font little bit bigger? There's a font property. Okay, there's a font property. Select the font property. Click on this three dot button. Here, there will be the three choices: font style, and size. Now I want to choose the size as 14 along with bold. Now here you will be able to change the font, what the font do you like. Okay, I'm going along with the Poppins. That is my favorite font. So I'm going to type over here as Poppins. Poppins. Select that particular point font. Set 20. Click OK. So you see, select this label. This is a foreground color. We have done it. I want to change the color of this text. So I would change it. How would I change it? Go to the font color. Just change the web color. You have to select this Indian red like this, right? So after that, select this form again. This is a form title. So the title I want to change it, not change the label. Select the form. Select the form. You can go to the title. So the title you have to go. You have to go to the title. The form. That's that one. Select the form first. Okay, not a label. Form. Then only it will be displayed. Name. Here this is a form text. This text you can change it as Shisha. I just select as Shisha. Right? Your title has been changed. There is a property called text property. Right? Now let's run and check the application. Your application looks like this. Right? So I hope you have a basic understanding well of this project. Okay, so if you want to watch my more of the C# application videos, please comment it. I will do many projects of the C# .NET application using Visual Studio 2012 Windows Form application. Thank you.